Like a small hole, small pool, and then the water not moving. And when the water not moving,
From Bangkok we flew to Surat Thani, more to the south of Thailand. From there we took a minivan to Khao Sok town, booked via One2Go Asia, which cost us 290 Thai baht per person. Thank you.
Okay, see you.
See you.
On the table.
yes.
So this morning we wake up in Khao Sok, in the Khao Sok Nung house, which is a very lovely bungalow actually we're sleeping in. The sleeping was very nice. Yesterday when we arrived we heard like a really weird sound of some animals, but luckily that was not during the night. And now we're going today on a day tour. It's packed with a lot of things, a little bit of trekking, kayaking and sitting on a longboat. So let's see how the Khao Sok National Park looks like. We booked a day tour, but there are also other options like a multi-day tour in which you will sleep in the national park. For the day tour we paid 1,500 Thai baht per person. Info is in the description as usual.
This part they make at 1 year ago. Yeah, we make name Kongka Swamp Forest Nature Trail. This is Swamp Forest.
So we just had an hour of chilling on the boat, but the boat was like very loud, so actually you can't really talk to each other. So that's one of those Instagram reality. You get beautiful pictures and beautiful sceneries, but the engine sound is very loud. And now we have 40 minutes of trekking through the jungle, up and then down again the same route.
And then the people get the land by themselves. In Thailand, the land is freedom. If you are comfort, like in this place, when no have the owner, you can get
the
you
land.
use the axe and then cutting, and then use the color, put, and then you say, this one mine, and then
And the government giving you paper.
Government
giving you paper then.
yes, and then after that, the government give you a paper. After 1989, they have the new law. You cannot get everything from the nature. You see, a lot of the root is coming from the ground for breathing. Like a small hole, small pool, and then the water not moving. And when the water not moving, in the batch have the some in the cave have the some bed.
One.
The bed make pee and poo. Sometimes put in the water.
Corona.
not corona, not corona. The corona not from Thailand.
That was a nice cave. I mean, it was very much untouched, which was very nice. You can also see that there was an earthquake, and that's why there were some splits in it. So that was like quite special. Having breakfast, and now we're gonna take a short swim, and then the day is already over. Definitely an awesome park to visit. We compared it to Ha Long Bay in Vietnam. It looks a bit the same, but still we thought it was more beautiful here because of the more jungle environment and less crowded. A short video this time, because in the next episode we are going to do some Thai island hopping. Stay tuned for that, and thanks for watching.